recently discovered a website that can generate 3D models just by using images, and the results are quite passive. First, we open the website Hifer. Select human, OK. Wait for the weight generation to complete. Zoom in the window. Cancel the EV alignment operation. Switch lighting display. Select a scoping tool to make fine adjustments to the model. So interesting. Rotate left or right to view amazing. Finally, you can download it and import it into professional 3D software for use. They're also very powerful, like does CC and MetaHuman. Zoom into look at the Wow, it can even align with the EPN, the facial feature are matching very accurately. There's also a white display here. Turn on wireframe display